This is the pancreas, and we have to study its histology. We have two structures, main structures, to identify the islets of the Langerhans, which is the endocrine part, and the Azini cells, which is the digestive or exocrine part of the pancreas. And in a bigger power, here with 400x, again we have this exterior part, which is the Azini cells or exocrine digestive part of the pancreas, and the inner part here, the islet of Langerhans, which is for production of hormones, the endocrine part. We cannot identify here which is B cells or alpha cells, but I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to try to identify these parts. Again, this slide is the pancreas. The current magnification is 40x total magnification. And now in this slide, we're going to look what is endocrine or versus the exocrine part in the cells. So if we zoom a little bit from 40x magnification, you will notice as you go in, it's a little bit differentiation between areas like this and the surrounding tissues around it. These small areas here, this one right here and right here, are the pancreatic islets or the islets of Langerhans. This is the endocrine section or portion of the tissue, and inside those islets you're gonna find your alpha and beta cells. Now in this particular slide you cannot differentiate between the alpha and beta, but the alpha cells are going to produce the hormone glucagon, and then the beta cells produce the hormone insulin. Now these two hormones are antagonistic. All the rest of the cells out there look maybe a little large, a little more glandular. They are around the islet, and they're going to be acinar cells. These are your exocrine cells. Those acinar cells will function with the digestive system. So this is your pancreas, and that is part of both the endocrine system and part of the digestive system.